Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Grand Design Transcend model 297QB. So the Grand Design Transcend is their entry-level travel trailer. Normally, it's aluminum corrugated sides with wood framing. This one does have the optional fiberglass sides. Right up front here, we do have the nice power tongue jack. And then here, we have very nice storage on the outside. Coming on down the side here, we do have a very nice big power awning with LED lights. And then all the way down here, it does still have a nice little outside kitchen setup. Little cooktop, little refrigerator, and everything. Coming on inside, you're going to see a very unique floor plan style. I've never quite seen a bunkhouse like this. Look at this kitchen. The sink's over there. It's not over here. It's very nice. You got the fridge and everything. Right here, you got the theater seats, which is directly across from the TV, entertainment center, but also above the dinette. This dinette does drop down, and then right over here is the pantry. Over here in this bunk room, you can see that it does have a nice big bunk on the bottom, and then single bunks on top with plenty of storage there. Coming on back through here, we do have a very good sized bathroom. The shower height's a little small, but that width and depth is very nice, and that toilet is porcelain and in a great placement. And then wrapping up with the master bedroom, tons of storage over there, tons of walk-around storage, everything here, and just everything that you're gonna need. And it's just an awesome, great price point travel trailer. But that's it, guys. That's a review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the right unit for you, perfect. Click that link down below. We'll get one of our Grand Design specialists to reach out to you guys and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.